Ever wondered what makes Germany so fascinating? From world-class engineering to ancient castles and Oktoberfest, Germany is full of surprises. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know from culture and history to food, travel, and beyond. Let's dive into one of Europe's most powerful and intriguing countries. Germany, officially the Federal Republic of Germany, is home to over 84 million people. The capital is Berlin, and the official language is German. It's located in Central Europe and shares borders with 9 countries, more than any other country in Europe. The currency, euros. The system, a federal parliamentary democracy made up of 16 states, known as Bundesländer. It's the beating heart of the European Union and one of the most influential countries in the world. Germany's landscape is incredibly diverse. You've got the Bavarian Alps in the south, beaches in the north, forests in the west, and flat plains in the east. Major cities include Berlin, Germany's capital and culture hub, Munich, known for Oktoberfest, BMW, and beer gardens, Frankfurt, a financial center with Europe's tallest skyscrapers, Hamburg, Germany's biggest port city, and Cologne, home to the massive Gothic cathedral and the beautiful Rhine River. There's something for everyone: history, nature, nightlife, and efficiency all rolled into one country. Germans are famous for being punctual, organized, and environmentally conscious. Don't be surprised by quiet streets at night. Ruhezeit means silence is expected during certain hours. Tipping, it's polite to round up the bill or add 5 to 10% when eating. Always say guten Appetit. It's the German way of saying enjoy your meal. Also, don't expect small talk. Germans are direct, honest, and value privacy. But once you earn their trust, friendships run deep. Germany's past is as complex as it is important. From the Holy Roman Empire to Prussia to the unification of Germany in 1871. Then came two world wars. After World War II, Germany was divided into East and West. In 1989, the Berlin Wall fell, and by 1990, Germany was reunited. Since then, it's become a stable democracy, a leader in global affairs, and one of the most respected nations on earth. Germany has Europe's largest economy and the 4th largest in the world. It's known for precision, quality, and innovation, especially in cars and engineering. Brands like Mercedes, Volkswagen, BMW, Siemens, and Adidas are global icons. Germany thrives on its Mittelstand, small and medium-sized businesses that power the economy. And yes, they take work seriously. But Germans also value balance, vacation time, and relaxation. Thinking about studying in Germany, you might not have to pay tuition. Even as a foreign student, education is strong with a unique system that places students into different academic tracks from a young age. Germans also enjoy a solid social system, including universal healthcare, generous parental leave, and job training programs. Vocational education, called Ausbildung, is highly respected and provides a direct path to employment. Some quick tips for travelers. Cash is king. Many small shops and restaurants still prefer it. Shops are closed on Sundays. Plan your grocery runs accordingly. Public transport is excellent. Trains are clean and usually on time. Autobahn, yes, some parts have no speed limit, but driving rules are strict. Oh, and if you're invited to a German's home, always bring a small gift and be punctual. It matters. Germany invented the printing press, the car, and even gummy bears. You'll find over 20,000 castles scattered across the country. The Oktoberfest in Munich is the world's largest beer festival, and their Christmas markets feel like something out of a fairy tale. Famous Germans include Einstein, Beethoven, Karl Benz, and Angela Merkel. In short, Germany is a country where tradition meets technology, where order meets imagination, and where history is always just around the corner. Now you know what makes Germany one of the most fascinating countries on the planet. If you learned something new, give this video a like. Hit subscribe and tell us in the comments, which countries should we explore next? Thanks for watching, and as they say in Germany, tschüss.